Have you ever wondered how can you use your imagination to create a life of luxury for yourself? Let's explore how using your imagination can help you live a life of luxury. Visualize yourself enjoying the finer things in life. Imagine yourself waking up in a luxurious bed, surrounded by beautiful furniture and artwork. The sun is shining in through the window, casting a warm glow on everything in the room. You get out of bed and stretch, taking a deep breath of the fresh air coming in from the open window. You walk into the bathroom and take a long bath, using all of the expensive soaps and shampoos provided for you. After your bath, you get dressed in one of the many high-end outfits hanging in your closet. You head downstairs to find breakfast waiting for you. A waiter brings over a tray with all sorts of delicious foods on it: croissants, eggs Benedict, pancakes, bacon, you name it. You sit down at the table and enjoy every bite. After breakfast, you head outside to enjoy the day. The sun is shining, and there's a light breeze blowing through the trees. You walk around town enjoying all of the sights and sounds before stopping at your favorite store to pick up some new jewelry. You head home for lunch and another waiter brings over another amazing meal. This time it's sushi. You eat until you're full, then take a nap on one of your many comfortable couches. When you wake up, it's already getting dark outside, so you go out for dinner at your favorite restaurant. After dinner, you go back home to relax for the evening. You pour yourself a glass of wine, then sit down in front of the fireplace to read your favorite book or watch TV until bedtime rolls around again. Put yourself in situations where you would interact with people who have a lot of money. Imagine yourself in a beautiful, spacious room. You're seated at a large mahogany desk with your laptop open, ready to take on the world. You glance out the window and see the hustle and bustle of people on the street below. They all seem so busy and caught up in their own lives. You can't help but wonder what it would be like to be one of them. Suddenly, the door opens and a man walks in. He's impeccably dressed in a suit and tie, and he radiates an air of wealth and sophistication. He sits down across from you and asks what you're working on. You explain your business plan to him, and he seems impressed. He tells you that he's been looking for someone like you, someone with ambition and drive. He offers you a job with his company and hands you an envelope filled with cash. You can't believe your eyes as you count the money inside. It's more than you've ever seen in your life. You thank the man for his offer and accept his job offer immediately. In just a few short weeks, you've gone from being an unknown person on the street below to sitting at the top of the corporate ladder, rubbing elbows with some of the wealthiest people in town. Practice thinking and speaking like someone who is already living the life that you desire. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day grind and forget about the things that make life worth living. That's why it's important to take a few moments each day to visualize yourself enjoying the finer things in life. Whether it's taking a luxurious vacation, indulging in a delicious meal, or simply enjoying a quiet moment with loved ones, picturing yourself happy and content can help you maintain a positive outlook. And when you're feeling grief, remembering that brighter days are ahead can help you get through tough times. So go ahead and close your eyes. Your dream life is waiting for you. Who wouldn't want to imagine themselves being surrounded by all of their favorite things with no worries at all? Everyone deserves to pamper themselves every once in a while, and what better way to do so than by taking a mental break to visualize oneself doing just that? It could be as simple as lying on a beach somewhere, or taking a dip in a private pool, or maybe even both. Not only is it important to allow yourself to dream big, but it's essential to also remember the little things that make you happy as well. Maybe for you, it's taking walks with your dog, or reading your favorite book in your backyard hammock on a sunny day. Whatever it may be, don't forget to add these to your visualization as well. Life is all about balance, and although we may not have everything we want right now, that doesn't mean we can't have hope for the future. Thanks to your visualization practice, you feel confident and motivated when it comes time to take real-world action. You stay focused on your goal and push through any obstacles that come your way. Congratulations, you've become a millionaire. Now, if you need an extra boost of motivation, make sure to watch this video on how to attract a life of luxury. By following the advice in this video, you'll be well on your way to achieving all of your dreams and goals.